you ready to step into a world where your career as an optometrist can truly take off? With a whooping annual salary of up to 60 lakh INR, the country we are talking about is Australia. Wondering how you can do so? Buckle up. In this video, we will talk about the step-by-step process starting right from the passing of Ocanz COE exam to landing a job and securing a skilled visa. And if you're new to this channel, then we at Academically help healthcare professionals like you to upscale your career and take them abroad. So take the first step towards your dream by subscribing to our channel. Now, let's jump right in. If you aren't familiar with Ocanz COE exam, let me quickly brief you about this. So the Ocanz COE or Competency in Optometry examination is a must for overseas trained optometrists looking to work in Australia. This exam tests your clinical skills and knowledge to make sure you meet the Australian standards. Now, let's get an overview of all the steps involved in this process. Step number 1. Assess your educational requirements. To get registered, one must make sure they meet the right qualifications. One either needs a 4-year bachelor's degree in optometry or a 3-year degree plus 1 year of supervised clinical experience. One must meet these criteria to proceed for the next step. Now, step number 2, skill assessment by Ocanz. In this vital step, the Optometry Council of Australia and New Zealand or OCANZs will evaluate your skills and qualifications to verify if they meet Australian standards. It is essential to prepare all your documents in advance to avoid any late-minute stress. Now, step number 3 is the Ocanz COE exam. Once your assessment is approved, it is time to focus on the exam. The exam consists of 2 parts. One is a written exam and the other one is clinical exam with a mandatory cultural safety training course in between. Now coming to the written exam, it is divided into 2 papers. The first paper is an MCQ based test where the candidates will be given 3 hours to solve 144 questions, and the other paper is a short question type test. This will test your theoretical knowledge across the spectrum of optometry. After passing the written exam, you will be required to complete an online cultural safety training course. This will help you to understand the multicultural patient base in Australia. The final hurdle is a practical skill test. It is broken into 2 sectors, the skill station exam and the patient exam. Here, your hands-on optometry skills will be evaluated. Along with the COE exam, it is suggested that the evidence of English proficiency test is also submitted. Candidates can prove their English proficiency in IELTS, PTE or OET exams. All of these exams can be taken in your own home country except for the clinical exam, which is conducted once you reach Australia. Now, once you pass the COE exam, you can register with the Optometry Board of Australia as a licensed optometrist. This step is crucial before you begin working. Let us now explore all the visa options available for optometrists. To live and work in Australia as an optometrist, you will need to apply for a skilled visa. The most common visa options are subclass 189, 491, 190, 485, 407, 494 and 482. All 3 visa options open the door to an exciting life in Australia with the potential to become a permanent resident. Check out other videos on our channel where we explain in detail about the visa options and process for healthcare professionals aspiring to move to Australia. Our resources for you don't end just with courses. Rather, at Academically, we strive to deliver a complete package that ensures your success. Break the train of thought by enrolling with Academically and taking the first step towards your dream. Thank you for watching this video. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.